Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. In today's video, we will go over setting up the registration tab of the SmartV configuration. Now, as you can see, I'm in the middle of configuring SmartV for my project, and I'm in the registration step. Here, we can decide to include a registration page or skip this step and move on. I'm going to include a registration page. Now let's just quickly head over to a project that already has a registration page set up. So here, if I try to input an email, let's do an email for sure it doesn't have a contact, and let's hit continue. Now, as you can see, this is an invalid login because I have no contact under this email. But now I have this option to click on sign up and create a new contact. And if I do so, Titan will now create a contact for me, and I can now sign in. See, I'm presented with a 2FA page. Now let's see how to set that up. When including a registration page, you can select a standard page or a custom page on your project. My project only has a home page at the moment, but if I were to set up a contact registration page, I would be able to open it up. And you can choose to open it up in the modal however you want. For now, we'll focus on standard page. Here, we can select a few fields for sign up. Now, it's important to remember that we are creating a brand new record, so you must include all your mandatory fields here. In my case, my contact has only one mandatory field, which is last name. And I'm going to also include first name and email. You can also include any other field from your record. Let's do just another one. For example, let's do department. Sure, why not? So that's all you need to do in order to set up a page. This will create a page similar to what we saw over here, where you can register. Now, the registration button, by default, pushes a new record into Salesforce. But if we want, we can decide to use custom logic and set up an action flow to do whatever we'd like on that page on click of the button. So today we learned how to set up the registration page, and that's how it's done.